Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel and I hope that you're all doing awesome today. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my fun food challenge. So in today's video, we're diving into super talaga, super and exciting taste test. And that is to taste the Chippy Blue versus Chippy Red. So, titingnan natin guys kung sino ang maghahari sa kanilang dalawa. Maghahari talaga, no? No, we're going to try if who rules the flavor world. So, look at these two bags. Chippy Blue and Chippy Red. So, pareho guys, very tempting. Packaging pa lang. Pero sino sa tingin nyo ang mas masarap? At ngayon, ako yung magiging taste tester ninyo and I'll give you my honest opinion about it. If you've been wondering if which chippy would be your next snacks, well, this video is for you. First pick natin is Chippy Blue. Alright. So, tingnan natin yung packaging niya guys. Well, so packaging na pa lang ay panalo na, di ba? So, it's chili and cheese corn chips. And, of course, we also have the Chippy Red. Okay. So, Chippy Red, it is a mild and tasty with less salt na siya, guys. So, tingnan natin kung ano nga yung mga lasa nila. So, let's start with Chippy Blue. So, sa packaging pa lang, may sili na siya, guys. So, may, parang fiery vibe siya. So, tingnan natin. So, amoy pa lang, guys. Parang may naninipa na siya ng konti. amoy cheese na nga siya talaga. Cheesy. But, yan yung first impression ko. Amoy cheesy siya and may konting sili. So, tikman na natin, guys. Sarap. Okay, so when I taste it, it's crispy and tastier siya, guys. And yes, it's so cheesy. But then, nag-expect ako na medyo may sipa siya, guys. Kasi, di ba, it's, with chili and cheese. Pero hindi siya gaano ka spicy. So, parang wala lang. Hindi siya yung tipong may sipa. But, yeah, generally, it is tastier and super cheesy. Alright, so next, of course, we have the Chippy Red. Okay. So, packaging pa lang, guys, very attractive na. Parang gustong-gusto na natin kainin. So, let's see. Gustong-gusto ko rin siyang amuyin. Okay. Parang I can smell tangy, savory. And I think it's because of this is a barbecue flavor. Kaya parang may tangy flavor siya na naamoy ko. And the texture of its chips is also crunchy. Crunchy siya, guys. Alright. So, yan yung first impression natin. But let's see. Tikman na natin, guys. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Okay. Mm. Okay, so when I taste the Chippy Red, it is crunchy and it is something na may tangy flavor siya. Siguro dahil sa barbecue flavor. And then, it is a little bit saltier than the Chippy Blue. Ayun. Alright, so overall guys, itong si Chippy Blue, it gives me a cheesier vibe. And tamang-tama lang yung salt niya na gustuhan ko. And it gives me also a classic taste na may konting sili habang pinapapak mo. However, ito namang si Chippy Red, mas saltier siya compared sa Chippy Blue. But it's crunchy and it has a tangy savory. Alright, so the big question now is, which one win the flavor war? So Chippy Blue, it has a milder taste at hindi siya gaano ka-salty. And I also love its cheesier flavor and may konting sipa habang pinapapak mo. But of course, the Chippy Red is also delicious kasi nga it has a tangy, savory, and medyo maalat-alat siya. But for me guys, of course, Chippy Blue is the winner. But of course, that's just my choice. Now it's your turn to choose, guys. And you can leave your pick in the comments below. Alright, so please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss my fun food challenge next time. So until next time, snack on and stay awesome. Bye! Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.